There's a concept that all new traders must understand when they first start trading the market, and that's the opening and closing auction prices. Now you can see here the last traded price for Fortescue Metals was $11.11. The indicative price at the moment, because we've breached 4 o'clock now, is $11.19. So what happens at 4 o'clock is trading ends and we hit an auction period. Now the auction ends at 4:10 in the afternoon. So that means whatever the orders are will be balanced out at 4:10 and they'll all be executed. If I hit refresh, we can see the price has changed to $11.15. No orders have actually gone through, and we can see in the course of sales actually that no orders have gone through. So the final trade of the day was $11.11 for $644, 1 second before 4 p.m. And we'll see at 4:10 p.m. the course of sales will have all the trades go through at whatever the final price is, and we'll see the time here end up being 4:10 p.m. So here's how the ASX actually works. We have an auction period from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And if we scroll down, it's actually a little longer than 10 a.m. It goes all the way till 10:09 a.m. plus or minus 15 seconds. Now this adds a randomization factor, so people can't manipulate, at least not efficiently, manipulate the auction pricing. So we can have a stock that looks like it's going to open really strong, but then people can pull out their orders and suddenly the price will just go back to normal. So between 10 a.m. plus minus 15 seconds, so that's 9:59 and 45 seconds, or 10 a.m. and 15 seconds, somewhere in that 30-second range, any stocks that start with the tickers 0 through to 9 or A to B, and here are some examples, these will open up first. So these stocks will go live at that time frame first. And then the next period is 10:02:15, and of course plus and minus 15 seconds from this time. And the stocks starting between C and F, such as CPU or FXJ, those stocks will then go live at that time. The afternoon auction starts at 4 p.m. and ends at 4:10 p.m. All these other things are just other factors that you don't really need to consider. This is just all the stuff that you need to know at the moment for opening and closing auction prices. So the time now is 4:12 p.m. and we can see in the course of sales that the auction ended up closing at 4:10 and 40 seconds, and the price ended up being $11.11, and then you can see all these orders flow through. And you can see there's a wild difference between $11.19, $11.15, as was shown in the auction period. And of course, the number's usually quite different, and it usually balances out to what the price was before the auction started. So unless there's a really big move, expect the share price during the auction to end up being the same price or the last traded price. Otherwise, the auction really is just a time that allows people to manipulate the stock price and pull out their orders at the very last second. Of course, these are done by trading bots and typically not done by people.